Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite double chocolate chip cookie using fresh milled flour. I start by fresh milling soft white wheat berries. I'll leave a link in the description below where I purchased mine. I love the mill that I use. It makes great flour and it also is self-cleaning. If you are interested in doing this yourself, I will leave some information in the description below. To a bowl, you're going to add 2 2/3 cup of the fresh milled flour, along with 2/3 cup of cacao powder, not to be confused with cocoa powder. This is a superfood. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Now stir until well combined. And now we're going to add a cup of soft butter. For the brown sugar, I am using 2/3 cup of Sucanat, which is sugar cane natural. And for the white sugar replacement, I am using 2/3 cup of honey crystals. I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase both of these products. Now I am blending the butter with the Sucanat and honey crystals until well combined. Adding a generous amount of vanilla. Add 2 farm fresh eggs and blend until smooth. Now it is time to add the liquid mixture to the dry. Scrape the bowl to get every bit of goodness. Now I mix the liquid with the dry until well combined. Now it is time to add some dark chocolate chips, and here I am using Hue Gems. I am also using Ghirardelli white chocolate chips and walnuts. Blend one more time, and it is time to put them on a cookie sheet. I love to use parchment paper and a cookie scoop, but you can use a spoon if you would like. Bake in a preheated oven set at 350 for about 10 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool for a few minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack. In the description below, I will link where I get several of the products and the ingredients. These have become a family favorite, and I hope they will be yours as well.